Good evening. This is All Sports with LD coming back at you with another YouTube post from my YouTube channel. Before I get into tonight's content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Well, Cam Newton is returning to the Panthers. My perspective is I disagree with this. And again, I'm just a guy on YouTube with an opinion, but I do recall the way the Carolina Panthers treated Cam Newton. When the new head coach came in, because Cam wasn't his guy, they basically discarded him. And the way they went about it was terrible. Like, they just unceremoniously traded him. Say, we're done with you. The guy that's done so much for this franchise, former MVP, also led them to a Super Bowl. Granted, they lost in the Super Bowl, but still, this is the most popular player of this organization. He's been the face of this organization. And this is how you treat him. You just show him the door in the offseason while he was rehabbing from a foot injury. And this is how you show him, this is how you treat the face of the organization. The man has done so much for this organization. To me, this is like a slap in the face. They tried to go a different direction. I believe they signed Teddy Bridgewater. That didn't work out. They ended up trading Teddy Bridgewater to Denver Broncos. Then they brought in Sam Darnold, excuse me. Well, now he's injured. And then they tried to go with second string, P.J. Walker, I think his name is. Well, obviously that isn't working out because now they have to reach out and sign Cam Newton. Now, to me, obviously you're going to bring him in. He may not start the first week, but you have to, as an organization, at least make this right. He should be inserted in that starting lineup very soon, if not the week after next. Within a very short time period. To me, if it were me, I wouldn't have gone back to this organization. But hey, like I said, I'm just a guy on YouTube with an opinion. And obviously, Cam Newton has a forgiving heart. He feels like he can still play at a high level, and I think he can. And maybe he's just chosen to forgive or forget how he was treated and unceremoniously shown the door. I mean, it's terrible in my eyes how this man was treated. And now, as an organization, you're backed up against a wall. So now you have no choice to come crawling back to Cam Newton. And they are fortunate that Cam Newton still wants to play. They are fortunate that perhaps this is the only organization that's willing to give Cam Newton another try. They are very fortunate. Because, like I said, in my opinion, they don't deserve Cam Newton. He's done a great deal for this organization. And I don't see how anyone can justify the way he was treated. As a matter of fact, and this is just my opinion, when it is all said and done, Carolina Panthers better retire his jersey. Plain and simple. Again, I'm just a guy on YouTube with an opinion, but this is what I think. This is how I feel. Like this organization just pretty much showing him the door like he was trash. And then you replace him with second-rate quarterbacks that couldn't get the job done. Now you come crawling back to him. You know, I almost halfway hope that the Panthers don't make it to the playoffs. But I like Cam Newton as a quarterback, so I will be rooting for Cam Newton only. I could care less about the Panther organization. If they make it the playoffs, it's a byproduct of his performance. But overall, I don't care much for this organization at all. I mean, it's just it's unacceptable. You know how this man was treated. So we'll see what happens. How the organization deals with Cam Newton going forward. We'll see if this man gets the respect that he deserves from this organization. Well, that's what I have. Until next time, have a good one.